Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's session on non-alcoholic beverages. Objectives. By the end of this session, student can learn how to gain knowledge about non-alcoholic beverages. They can classify in different categories like stimulating, refreshing, and nourishing. They can also know about different mocktails. Introduction. The term non-alcoholic beverages cover drinks that are either totally free from alcohol or that have less than 0.5% alcohol by volume. It includes a gamut of drinks from hot to cold and from simple to exotic. Non-alcoholic beverages classification. They are generally classified into three categories: stimulating, nourishing, refreshing. Let us understand what is stimulating. Stimulating means to make you feel interested and physically active. Nourishing to provide living things with food in order to make them grow healthy and strong. And refreshing to make you feel less hot or tired, pleasingly fresh or different. Let us understand non-alcoholic beverages classification chart. In this chart, we have already divided stimulating, nourishing and refreshing. In stimulating, which all drinks will come? Tea, coffee, chocolate will come under stimulating. Then nourishing will include juices, syrups, squashes, crushes, milk, floats, shakes. And refreshing will include aerated water, natural water, spring water, mineral water, packaged water. Stimulating beverages, first we will understand tea. Tea, it is the most preferred beverage in the world. Physicians at large consider drinking tea is better than coffee as it has only half the caffeine content of coffee. Its delicate astringent flavor and slightly bitter taste make it popular drink. China, India, Kenya, Indonesia, Sri Lanka and Japan are the main tea producers. In this picture, you can see the varieties of tea. Types of tea. There are different types of tea are there. Now we will understand black tea, green tea, yellow tea, white tea and oolong tea. This is all comes under the types of tea. Tea blends and their characteristics. There are the different tea blends in that Assam tea is there, Darjeeling, Earl Grey tea, Jasmine tea, Rose, Lotus, Mint, Lapsang Souchong, Sri Lanka, spices. Coffee. Coffee is a popular drink in America and Europe. Compared to other parts of the world, coffee trees bear small red cherries containing seeds known as coffee beans. Brazil is the number one coffee producing country in the world. There are two types of coffee plant. First one is coffee arabica, second one is coffee robusta. Features of arabica and robusta. Arabica, robusta. Let us understand what is the main difference between arabica and robusta. Arabica will have shape long, oval in size, slightly flat beans, whereas Robusta will have shape irregular, convex shape small beans. Here Arabica will contain less caffeine, whereas caffeine content is 2.5 times more than Arabica in Robusta. Whereas the producing country of Arabica will be Brazil, India, Mexico, Costa Rica, whereas Robusta found in Ivory Coast, Angola and Zaire. Arabica and Robusta. In this picture, you can see the difference between Arabica and Robusta. Various methods of making coffee. There are the various methods where we can prepare coffee. Now, first one is instant method. Second one is saucepan or jug method. Third one is La Cafeteria method, which is also called as plunger. Fourth one is percolator method. Fifth one is Kona coffee or vacuum infusion method. Filter method, then we have pour through filter method, individual filter method. Coffee making method: still set, espresso method, affogato, americano, cappuccino, corretto, doppio, latte, latte macchiato, and Turkish or Egyptian method. Specialty coffee. What do you mean by specialty coffee? Coffee which is made with the addition of spirit or liqueur use is called as specialty coffee. Let us understand, when we talk about Irish coffee, that means the Irish whiskey is used in that coffee. Highland coffee, we are using Scotch whiskey. Russian coffee is made from vodka. Monk's coffee is made from Benedictine. Prince Charles coffee is made from Drambuie. Next specialty coffee, Jamaican coffee is made from rum. Calypso coffee, Tia Maria. Seville coffee, Contra. Cafe Royal, Cognac. Royal Street coffee, Amaretto, Kahlua, and nutmeg we are using. Cafe Napoleon is from Cognac only. Yorkshire coffee is from Bronte. Specialty coffee, Witch coffee made from Strega. It is all liqueur. Gosho coffee, that is tequila. Caribbean coffee from rum. Balalaika coffee from vodka. Next is hot chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate proportion quantities of hot water and chocolate powder are mixed in machine and dispensed into cup. Hot chocolate individual portion packet is mixed with 1 cup of water, stirred and served to the guest. Milkshakes. What is milkshake? Milkshake generally it is prepared from cold milk, fruit syrups and ice cream. They can combine in varying proportion according to the standard recipe. Milkshakes cream floating on the top and are sipped with straws. Juices. Juices are obtained from fresh and ripe or processed fruits. The processed juices are marketed in bottles and cans. For example, of fresh juice which is available in a season like orange, grapefruit, grape and pomegranate. Whereas canned juice which is not available, but it is, we can find it out during the in a bottle form in any of the season like pineapple, mango or grapefruit juices. Syrups. Now let us understand what is syrups. Syrups are fruit flavored concentrated sweet liquid. They are used in preparation of cocktails, milkshakes and long drinks. They can mix with soda water and serve. There are the different types of syrups. Okay, so we can have these syrups with the name and with their flavor. Cassis, which is the flavor is from blackcurrant. Citron, which is from the lemon. Cerise, that is called cherry. Framboise, raspberry. Gum, sugar syrup. Grenadine, pomegranate. Orgeat, almond. Squashes. Squashes are concentrated pulp of fruits and are available in bottles. Orange squash, pineapple squash, lemon, and mango squash are some examples. These are diluted with the addition of chilled water, mineral water, or aerated water. They are used extensively in cocktails and mocktails. Aerated water. Beverages that are infused with carbonic gases, making drink fizzy when open. These beverages are available in different flavors such as lemon, orange, cola, etc., and are available in bottles and cans. Soda, Sprite, Pepsi, and tonic water are some of the example of aerated water. Natural spring water. Natural water obtained from groundwater through a spring, well, or borehole. All natural water must be bottled at the place of origin without any addition or treatment other than filtration and addition of carbon dioxide is called natural spring water. whereas the sparkling water are labeled as carbonate natural water fortified with gas from spring. Examples: Avia from France, Vichy Celestine from France, Vitel from France, Malvern from England, San Pellegrino from Italy, Strathmore from Scotland. Mineral water. Mineral water is water from a mineral spring that contains various minerals such as salt and sulfur compounds. They may also be mixed with alcoholic drink and consumed. Packaged drinking water. It is water from any source which has to be treated and disinfected, a process that could involve filtration or treatment for consumption is called packaged drinking water. Examples of mineral water is Himalaya, Perrier, Hildon, St. Greon. Packaged drinking water is Bisleri, Kinley. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. Below mentioned references are given for this video.